Welcome back, everyone. Today we are replacing my side marker lights here, and I got these new ones. I got two GoPros going here. So here's them off Amazon. I don't know if you can read that. I'll try and put it in the link below. That's the red ones, and this is the orange ones. Like I said, I'll put these in the bottom below so you guys can see them. So we need a Phillips screwdriver. And the plug is literally on the back side back here. It's like right here. And then there's a plug that sits right here. Having two cameras going, guys, is kind of hard. You're probably going to be wondering, why do you got two cameras going? Well, because I'm still trying to figure out the other new one, and I don't want to not have one camera work over the other. And I had it happen. I thought that one was working, and I got home and found out that that one didn't record anything. I went through a bunch of stuff, and I think we got it pretty well dialed in. Here's the old one. Now keep in mind, the OEM one is $154 from GM. I'm like, you're out of your mind. So I didn't buy it. So I bought these smoked out style ones, which should look pretty cool, I think. Let's make sure I got the right ones on the right spots here. The smoky red and yellow. Assuming that these are both same. Trying to figure this out. I don't want to put red and orange and different colors that don't belong here. I don't think you can actually tell by looking at them either. Not really. Not worst case, I just have to switch them out, right? I just hope the plugs are the same. Okay, one. I guess it doesn't matter. No, the plug fits. And then drop the wires back. Put a little bit of the good stuff on here. I could have got clear or the smoked. I'm trying to do the smoked. I think there was a $10 or $20 price difference. But there's the first orange. I have no idea how hard the back red's going to be, so let's go find out. wire goes inside, so which means I gotta pull my panels apart. Alright, so I figured out how to find out where my wire is. So basically you gotta pull off this bottom panel, which is basically this guy, which is held out with a bunch of clips. You know, he's what sits at the bottom of your door. You gotta pull off your speaker, which sits like this up in this corner. I don't know if you guys can see all this. There's a speaker that sits up in here. Well, that's all held in. There's just a bunch of push clips, you know, right here. Just get a little, you know, trim remover tool, and then this, I basically grabbed the bottom corner, and I just gave it a tug, pulled it out enough to where I can actually see what I'm doing, and then, you know, up inside here, there's a connector right here. I don't know how well anybody can see at this point. There's a connector right here. Well, let's pop him off. So easier said than done. Seriously? Jeez. And then you just bolt through the wall, and then you basically end up with this in your hand. Now, let's see if it does come with the same connector, so we're good. Also, this stuff picks anything up. So what a pain in the butt to undo this. Sorry guys. Here. But yeah, whose bright idea was this? Let's put the one thing you're gonna have to replace behind all the interior panels. Like, come on, man. Now, put all this back together without obliterating this panel, which just may not go very well. That used to sit a little better, but it's gotten lax. I don't have a third row seat anyway, so it doesn't matter. And then, ow. Put you guys back here. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Kind of. You gotta make sure you put your wire connector on. I do not suggest doing this when your car is cold, unless you got a heated garage. I have a heated garage, so we're okay. Alright, so that's one side, or at least the inside half. Bring you guys back around here. Alright. Now we're going to do it before and after. Make you guys set up for that. Now this side over here works, the other side didn't. So let's see what I can do here. That might work-ish. I hope. It's not really bringing up the red too well, is it? Oh yeah. So, sorry guys, here's the red. We have a very much small garage here, not in the barn. And here's the orange. And then there's the new orange. And here's the new red. Wouldn't this... I swore this guy had a... Okay, so there's the red. There's the new orange. Alright, so I'm not going to record the other side. Same stuff, just pull the wire out, pull the screws out, put them in, pull the panel on the other side, put it in. So I'm not going to do it twice. I know some people think that's kind of dumb, but in all reality, if you did one side, you can do the other. So, you know, that was replacing red and orange marker lights on the Hummer. I got those on Amazon. I'll put those numbers in the description, or you know, down below. I put them in the video, but sometimes it don't work out for me, so we'll see. They're $70, and those are the smoked ones, not the clear. That was a pretty easy install, except for the back. Like I said, just have some trim tools and some patience. Don't come apart, try not to break anything. It is easy to do, so that's about it. You know, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.